Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab and welcome to my channel. I'm not live tonight. This is a recorded message for you. Camille is laying right here, and I have a few things to talk about. So let's get right into it. I want to apologize so humbly. I'm so mad at myself. I'm so mad at myself, y'all, because I am very particular about getting the names of channels right. Here comes the train. But I've been really blowing it. Every time I have mentioned Nona. Nona is Teddy, and Nona's channel is Nona's Here. And she is in my collab, the Temu Spring Fling. And I'm honored to have her in the collab with me, as I'll tell you everybody that's in there shortly. But I have been calling her channel the wrong name in every video I've made. I don't know if I said it wrong in the original video, but you know, I've been telling you all about the collab in most videos just to remind you to go see everybody. So I am so sorry. She's laughing about it, but I feel really bad. So I'm so sorry, Miss Teddy, Miss Nona. And it's Nona's Here is the name of her channel. And that's all one word, no apostrophes, no spaces, Nona's Here. So that is, I'm going to tell you about my giveaways. I'll tell you about that right now, since I started talking about that. My Temu Spring Fling, it is 8 channels. There's 8 of us in here in this collab. I am just hosting it, and this is the first bigger collab that I've hosted. So I'm just having a really good time. Y'all have been so delightful about it. Y'all really have been enjoying it. It's been a lot of fun to see what spring products. We all have so many different products. That's really the most fun to me, is I love to see what people get. So in this collab with me is Carol Gardner and Reviews with Sue, Jesse Miller Unboxings and More, Miss Jackie Russell, Favorites with Laura, Tea Time Adventures, and of course Nona's Here, and me. And this will run through May 4th. And then you'll have to listen on each video as to when they'll end their giveaways, but that's a Saturday, so you know, give us a day or 2 or 3 to get out, maybe even a little bit longer, you know, depending on what's going on in people's lives, to get out a video announcing the winner. And now some people do announce on their community tabs, so do what they tell you in their video, because we all you know, have little tweaked different instructions to follow. So you do have to be publicly subscribed to all 8 channels, and you have to make a comment on all 8 channels. So you might as well say something. You might as well enter the giveaways. I mean, why not? There's 8 giveaways, so you could win. You can win one. One thing that you cannot do, that you shouldn't do, I should say, is you shouldn't just say one word. Don't just say the word that, you know, the secret word, or the word that's meant to be. Say it in a sentence, you know, so that other people don't see it right away. Let them watch the videos, because when we do giveaways, when we do collabs and we do giveaways, it's because we want to thank our subscribers. So we want to thank you for watching the whole video, for giving us a thumbs up, hopefully, and for referring us possibly to your family and friends, because we are on YouTube for fun. I'm on YouTube for fun, but do I want to grow? Yes, I do. So just saying that, okay? So that is our giveaway. I mean, I'm sorry, our collab, and we all have different kinds of giveaways. Like I have a mystery giveaway because I didn't have enough time to show you, but I'll give you some skincare, makeup, you know, that type of stuff that I get in the boxes. And you know, everybody see what they tell you. And that's what I wanted to tell you about that giveaway. I mean, about that collab. What is wrong with me? You know, it's just whatever. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so happy I don't have to work tomorrow. I don't have to work tomorrow. And I'm just happy to be home. Okay, so next up, I always have my treasure trove going. And it actually ended today. And I'll be posting a video, hopefully tomorrow, to extend it. So somebody has won. And then we'll go further along with that. And then I may have another giveaway or 2 out there. I don't really remember offhand. And sometimes I do have hidden treasures in some of my videos. So it's really pertinent to watch my videos if you want to win a giveaway from me. I do want to tell you that, all right, the Ipsy Mega Drop Shop, I think it's ending. It may have ended. Did it end? I got an email yesterday saying it was coming to a close. And then the Fab Fit Fun too, that's coming. That ended. That did end, the add-ons. Did you get what you wanted? I got everything I wanted. It wasn't my favorite choice, my favorite choices, but I got some good stuff, so it'll be fine. I got some add-ons. I always get some add-ons. And I do have another Mega Drop Shop order coming. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun. I love the Mega Drop Shop, and I love to get the little mystery bags, even when they're not the best mystery bags. It's to me, it's fun. It's fun. And then there's some good products in them. That little mystery bag I got for $10 had the best. That was a fortune. That was worth a fortune. That had the Elemis. That little Elemis in there is $52 value. If you look on an Elemis website, you'll see that. And okay, also, I got an email from Rakuten. They have, Rakuten generally is $30 if someone joins. If you join, you'll get $30. You have to spend $30 within 90 days after joining, and you'll join under somebody. There's many of us that have that. If you join under me, you'd get 30, I'd get 30 right now, and they don't tell us how long. But usually these run a week or two. $40. If you sign up now, and spend $40 on so many shops, so many stores. Well, I shop at Walmart. I get kitty litter and stuff at Walmart. It doesn't work for Amazon, but it works for Walmart. It works for, oh my goodness, I can't even think of, Bath and Body Works. I mean, I'm pretty sure. But so many of the places we shop, it works. And I just can't think of any of them right this minute. Oh, Temu, it works on Temu too. So you get money back, and it's a percentage. It's 1, 2, 3, 4%. And then certain times of the year, they have different, they'll have 10% off instead of the regular percent off, all kinds of stores and all kinds of websites, Ulta and Sephora and, everywhere we shop. But right now, the special is you'll get $40, and whoever you sign up will get $40. So if you sign up under me, I'll get $40. So what I do with that money is I try to hold it. They pay you every quarter. I try to hold that aside, and I use that like for my advent calendars or for, it's not when, I get some money. So I'm happy about it. To me, it's worth it, even though Walmart, I might get like 52 cents on what I buy, but 52 cents, that was like using a coupon or two, And then also there is the company, an app called Fetch. It's been different names along the way, but I think it's been Fetch since I've been on it. Okay, Blue. And if you join that under me, once you join, then people can join under you. The same with Rakuten. Would you please sit down, Blue? It is, I've been getting so many points on there, so many points, because you scan receipts, and you also can play games, and there's some pretty good little games. I'm not a gamer at all, but there's some good little games that I'm enjoying, and I have I've gotten a $50 gift card for Stitch Fix. I'm so excited about that. I've gotten TJ Maxx gift card in the past and other things like that. So I'm just mentioning it right quick. I have those links below. If you're interested, you can click on the link and not join, I think, and maybe find out more information about it if you want to. So if you want to join, please do. But anyway, y'all, I do have to mention this because I don't want to just go past it. I am over 3,000 subscribers. So when you are a YouTube channel, you can look at your analytics, which is, it tells you about, this video did well, this video didn't do well, that kind of stuff. And, the people that are really into all that, I do look at it. But if I'm showing you, I don't know, a purse that was sent to me and nobody watches it, that does happen sometimes, like hardly anybody watches it. I'm showing it to you because I like it. I accept offers like that for things that I enjoy. Things that I think that you'll enjoy also. Things that as women we like. So, but some of those, you know, some flop and some do well. And the analytics, it tells you how the video did. If it got a lot of watch hours, if it, you know, if it got whatever. Well, it tells you if people subscribe under your video. And in the last couple of weeks and then beyond, I have some videos from long ago. I have a video when I first started my channel. I had my channel for 3 or 4 months, and I flew on an airplane to Chicago, and it was a great day, and we were above the clouds, and I took video of that, and I have 93,000 views on that. It was a short, and so it tells you about that stuff. So that's my biggest video ever for views, of course. You know, I don't get thousands of views. I might get 1,000 views on something. I've gotten 1,000 views on some Temu and on some Stitch Fix maybe, but most of the time, my views are 1 to 200, and that's normal for me. I don't know, why am I telling you all that? Anyway, I was telling you all that because I went over 3,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited. And it was distributed along many videos of a good 2 dozen, not 2 dozen, yeah, well, a good dozen to 2 dozen videos. So it wasn't like from one particular video. So that's interesting to me. And also, I have not gotten notification from YouTube that it's official. So I'm just hoping. I'm hoping. Because on a video not too long ago, I did have a lot of new subscribers. It was a collab video, and then they all dropped off, even though they were still on the video and they were still talking to me, and they were saying, I subscribe to you, Mary, you know, and I'm here to, you know, to watch your video. So YouTube is very frustrating and complicated. It's complicated. But anyway, I just am so happy that y'all are here. I really love my channel because of this, because I love to communicate with you. I love meeting y'all. I have made some wonderful friends. Y'all are so good to me and so polite and so nice. And you tell me the nicest things about me. And, you know, I'm like, who are you talking about? Who? So I just really, it's good for my ego. Y'all make me feel good. Let's put it that way. Y'all make me feel good. And I hope that I bring some happiness to y'all as well. I have been told by some subscribers that I brighten their day, and that really is what it's all about for me. I am a friendly person, and I like to make friends, and I like to chat. You know, it's hard to keep this mouth shut. So I just wanted to thank you for being here, and thank you for sharing me out or whatever y'all might have done, because y'all watched me and somehow I got some new subscribers. So let me tell you real quick what I'm wearing. On my lips, I'm wearing this MAC Lippy. Love this one. I love, you know, Ruby Woo. It's a beautiful one. And I just grabbed it and put it on, and I like it. And then I'm wearing on my eyes, a subtle look today. This is the Belle in Argent, and it is all mirrored, so it's gonna be hard to see. But it's it has this beautiful Art Deco kind of design around it. It's very pretty. Camille, you want to see that? And it's just, you know, it's plastic, but it looks like metal. And it has a mirror on one side. And then these are real basic, wonderful neutrals. So I love this palette. It's a great neutral palette. I love it. So thank you all for stopping by, and you know, check out my collab and my other videos, I hope, and go see all the ladies that I mentioned. I'll have everybody's link in the description, and if I remember, I'll put the playlist in there as well. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Good to see you. Have a wonderful weekend, and I hope that your weather is good and all that other stuff. My weather's been bonkers, but I think we had our last freeze. And when I say that, we had frost on the roof on Tuesday morning, I think it was. I think that's done now here. I know it isn't up north. So I hope this spring is happening your way soon, and that, you know, you're seeing some things flower and all that good stuff. So y'all take care, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.